What is it? A dinosaur
Egg.
toy egg?
Wow, Dad, look! What's there? Whoa! Dad, look!
Wow. What did you get? Wow.
Down.
That one, wow.
No. Letters. Hubbies, Mom, hubbies.
Help you? Okay. Oh, how do you get it?
Oh, me. Oh, Mama, what's that here? What's on? Mama, what's on?
Dinosaur horn? Dino Fossil find. Whoa.
Whoa, what's going to do?
Dino Fossil find. Okay.
Up here.
There. Okay. Good. Get it? Wow.
Wow. Hold it.
Smash it. Oh boy. Don't fall backwards off the table.
Hubbies. Oh,
Oh wow.
Oh, look, Mom.
Whoa.
Dead. Whoa.
Wow. What did you get with it?
Oh, Daddy, do this. What's that?
This? Dino slime.
I don't like ew.
Dino slime and fossil sand. Dino fossil find fossil sand. And what's this? You got this. Fossil rock? Fossil rock, wow.
Mama, hand it.
Hammer? Okay. You gotta
Mama.
twist that. Get the hammer out. Okay. There you go. There's your axe. Your pick for digging. You gonna hammer that? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Help you? Okay, first of all, I think we should take the plastic off. First of all, take this plastic off of here.
Oh.
Okay. I wonder if we should look at the instructions. Where's the instructions at, Leon?
Here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here.
We've got all the instructions here.
What's that, Mom?
But it just looks like we're going to be putting together a dinosaur. Okay. That's all of them you can collect.
Promise, Mom.
All right. Let's see. We got to get this open still. Oh my goodness. Here, you got it going on. Okay. Hammer it more. Get it open. Is that what we're supposed to do? Okay, I'll help you here. Give me. Oh, did I hit your hand? Sorry. Hit your finger?
Ow.
Sorry. Ow, yeah. I didn't know you were going to put your hand right there. Oh, you should do this. This is a good job for you. Yeah, you do that. That's a good job for you to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good job for you to do. You work on that a while. Don't hit your hand. You're getting all dirty. My goodness. Oh, what's happened? It opened up. You got it open, Leon. You did that.
Boom.
A triceratops bone?
Does in here.
Triceratops in there? Let me see it.
On it.
Oh, it's the head. Head of a triceratops.
Daddy, what's wrong?
Daddy, a rar's bone. Triceratops head.
Whoa.
Very nice.
In here.
Oh, what else is in there? Keep digging.
Look.
Very cool.
What do you got? We got
All this up is.
slime and yeah. I see that should be open first. Let's open this.
Dino and us do.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
And
Oh boy.
us bunko.
Oh wow. What's in there? What is in there?
Ice Bobby.
The dinosaur body, it's windy. Here in our instructions. Daddy's gonna go get it. Daddy's gonna get the instructions. He got it. Okay.
Ice Bobby.
The Raj body, the dinosaur body.
This.
Okay. Got another piece.
Another piece.
Yay.
Hey.
Okay.
That one.
Do you think we don't have everything. There's something in here yet. What do you think's gonna be in here?
Tail.
Tail?
Leg, tail.
Legs. Legs, hands,
Thumb.
tail. Okay. Let's find out.
T-Rex.
T-Rex? Triceratops. It's gotta be a Triceratops, hand and legs and tail.
Open.
Okay, let's open it. Open. This is gonna be a slime mess. Put it in here. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Keep going. You get it?
I'm out.
Ooh, slime.
My mom helps me. Right hand tail.
Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Something's coming out. You got it. Keep it. Keep squishing it. Keep squishing it. You got it. You got it.
Oh, I'm in here.
It's going in there. What do you think it is? Yep. What? The jaw? Oh, we're missing a jaw. Okay. And what else do you see? Rar's leg, dinosaur leg. Okay.
Still in here.
Boy.
And Hubby's.
Help
Oh,
you?
my Hubby's.
I don't want to touch the slime. You touch it. You grab that. Grab that tail out. That's the last part, I think. You got it. You got it. Yay. You got slime on your hands now. Slime all over your hands, Leon. Oh boy. Okay, I'll grab the tail free. Grab him. Okay. Get that leg free from the slime. Oh. I don't want it on me. Here, let me get this other one, the hand. There's the foot. Oh no, I'm getting slime on me. Oh, Leon, help me. Pull it off. Pull it off my hand. Help me.
Not
You got slime on you too?
Yes.
Take it. I don't want it, Leon. It's your toy.
My toy.
It's your toy. Take that slime. There you go. I'm free. I'm free. Okay, there's the wind again. Wind coming along, blowing us away. There's all the wind. Okay. Help you? Help you with that slime? Oh boy. Okay. Napkin? Okay, that's what we've got there. We better build it. It's getting dark out. Let's put it together. We don't want that slime on you. Clean? Okay, good. All right, now you put your Triceratops together.
Hi, Mama, that's it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that's the card for it. Okay, Dino Facts Map. Wow, so there's some Dino Facts on the back of here. Okay, let's put your Triceratops together because it's getting late and dark, so let's put it together. There's the body. Okay, let me put it together. There's some slime on some of the feet and stuff still.
Oh, I know.
Oh my, there's the head. The head is going on the body. Okay, here's the tail. Put that tail on.
Leg on.
Okay, leg on. Okay. Is this a back leg?
Back leg. Not back leg.
That's not. I think that's back leg. That's the front. legs. Wow. The other side, turn around. What is he gonna do? Is he gonna light up or something?
Light up.
Wow.
No. It's the tail. It's the tail. It's tail.
Squish the tail, move the tail. Okay, let's get one more leg on. One more leg on. These back legs, I think, gotta click in better. I feel like they're gonna fall off. Front legs coming off. There's still some slime on it. Makes it a little gooey and slimy.
Ew.
It's getting dark too.
Yes.
Getting a little dark on us. But we got him built. Okay, what is he gonna do? What are we supposed to do? Move his tail? Or what is this? A button? Yeah. What's that for? Okay, what is it? You pull this out? Oh, yeah, okay. Hold something out. Something has to work now. What is it? Do we move his tail, move his legs, squish him?
Listen.
How does he work now?
Oh.
How do we get him to work?
Dead.
Get the instructions. Get him, look. Okay.
Oh, Mama, look. Oh.
Oh, yep, you shake him and he comes on. There you go.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, Leah, what do you think? That was a nice surprise. Now
Whoa.
it's dark just in time to be able to see him lit up. Yeah, what do you think? Let's see.
Woo.
Wow, a light up dinosaur.
Light up.
Triceratops.
Yeah.
Look, Daddy.
No, Daddy. Don't eat that.
Wow.
Don't eat that. Don't.
Triceratops.
I eat that bone.
Triceratops bone, yeah. Can you tell us
Yeah.
that? Oh, wow. What do you say to Daddy for getting you that gift?
Happy
Happy birthday?
days.
Try again. What do you say to Daddy for getting you that gift?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good one. Yeah, you're silly. Now, you want to shake him and make the light come on again? And then tell all your friends bye. You want to tell all your friends bye?
And bye.
Bye.
Light Dino.
Light Dino, yeah. Let's stomp him here.
Stop.
Oh, there's the light.
Yeah. Red light.
Red light. That's going to be fun to play with. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.